Good morning guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be installing this carbon fiber e-brake cover. We're going to need a pry tool, one zip tie, and a tool to cut the zip tie. You could install this mod on an F80 M3 as well as an F30. So this is my old car. I'm selling this car, guys. I've just been removing parts from this car. So this is my 2016 F80 M3. Literally bone stock with the competition package, the E30. And this is how the stock one looks. All right, so what we're gonna do is pry open these little clips on the bottom. Around, super easy. Should come out just like that. And then what we're gonna do is pull forward the dust cover, and you're gonna see a little zip tie right here. With your cutter, be very careful to make an incision on the zip tie. It comes off super easily. We're gonna push back the leather, lift back the leather portion all around, pull out the old e-brake and replace it just exactly how it was. You're gonna see little grooves. Go ahead and tuck in the leather just how it is all the way around. We're gonna pull out this leather portion to expose the back, and then you're gonna notice a little groove where the previous zip tie was. What we're gonna do is grab our new zip tie and zip it all the way around. Make sure the hard piece is facing the lower section like this, just so it's not poking and bulging out. The zip tie we're gonna pull all the way down and pull up as hard as you can. Make it as tight as you possibly can. You don't want it going anywhere. And then just snip off the little piece. Working in the back portion first, making sure it clips, and then just working your way down. Pull the leather portion all the way back out. And just like that, you guys installed the carbon fiber e-brake cover. Look how good it looks. I know I don't have the carbon fiber interior trim, but I'm slowly gonna add parts all around the interior, exterior. I want you guys to stay tuned what I have next for the F80 M3. Just look at the interior. Look how much it's popping. This thing looks so good. One of the most easiest mods you can do to your car, and it changes the whole interior. Look how good it looks. If you guys like today's video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.